Hey all, Wild for Games here, and in today's Twitch quick tip video, I'm going to show you how to change your light mode on desktop and mobile to dark mode. Let's go. Alright, let's dive right into it. We're going to start with desktop, but if you're only here for the mobile devices, go to this timestamp here, and that will get you going right off the bat. When logged in on your Twitch channel, go to the right top corner where your profile picture is and tick on that. Go near the bottom, and there you will see where you can tick on and off dark theme. Hey, just really quick, if you're finding the information in this video valuable, I do a bunch of tips all the time for streaming to make you bigger and better. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to follow me on my socials. Now back to the mobile side. To change to dark mode or light mode on mobile, regardless if it's an iPhone or Android, it's all the same. Simply log into your Twitch mobile app. In the top left corner, you will see your profile. Click on this and it'll direct you towards your Twitch channel page. In the top right corner, you will see a cogwheel that'll allow you to go to settings. On the settings page, you can go to preferences and then go to appearance. This will allow you to turn on light or dark mode depending on whatever your preference is. If you're an Android user, once you click on the cogwheel, one of the options it'll populate will be to enable dark mode. Simply just pick what mode you want and you're good to rock and roll on your mobile device. Now, if you're a Twitch mobile user and you need any more help knowing how to broadcast from the Twitch mobile app, don't worry, I got you covered, my friends. I'm gonna put a video over here to the side that shows you exactly everything you need to know about the new Twitch mobile app and all the updates, plus some awesome streaming tips. Recommend checking that video out right after this one. And until next time, my friends, I will help you all in my next quick Twitch tip video coming out real soon. Take care and peace.